Hi, I'm Mithu and today you are watching my channel Mithu and Makeup. On Dimple here, I'm creating a ring ceremony look. It's a day event and so I would like to keep it simple. So starting off with the eyes, this time I'm using a concealer instead of a primer for eye base. Dimple has lovely eyebrows. I just need to fill them up and clean up with concealer. In this look, I am using a single shade of eyeshadow, a bit of highlighter in the inner corner and under the brow bone. A darker shade in the outer corner to add depth. And don't forget to blend. Add a little bit of glitter under glitter base. Gel liner, mascara and lashes. I will use 3 shades of foundation for the face. One is the natural base which is closest to her skin tone, and one for contouring which is couple of shades darker than her natural skin tone. Couple of shades lighter foundation for highlighting the face. This is my attempt to show highlighting and contouring. I prefer to use a damp beauty blender to blend thoroughly. Dust off with translucent powder, a little bit of powder contouring, blush on and highlighter. With the lip shade, my look is done. I hope you enjoy this session. We sure did. Thanks for watching. See you next time.